If you are a developer using AI, then you might know the pain of token limit. You end up paying for ChatGPT, Cursor, or Claude Pro and still get hit with a monthly API token limit. What if I told you that you can get unlimited AI coding directly inside VS Code with access over 200 plus AI model? 90 plus them are completely free without giving out your credit card detail. So it is the one and only ultimate free AI coding setup that you will need. I'm talking about OmniRoute. It is 100% free with the MIT open source AI gateway and is currently trending number 2 in GitHub with 36,000 stars. Instead of paying OpenAI and Anthropic, OmniRoute sits locally on computer. It pulls over 90 plus free tier AI provider and claim to give 1.6 billion free token every single month. When one provider gets low or about to hit the limit, it auto switches to next one without interrupting your workflows. And in this video, I want to show you step by step how to set up OmniRoute for coding. So first of all, Node.js should be installed on your machine. If you don't have Node.js installed, then you can install it by searching on Google, then verify the installation by node-version command. Now let's verify the installation using node-version command. And once node.js is installed, we can go to Google and look for OmniRoute GitHub repo. And I'm directly going to the OmniRoute website. There you have to copy this command to install OmniRoute. And while installing, you get a lot of warnings. We can simply ignore them. Now OmniRoute is completely installed. And once it is installed, let's go back to the actual OmniRoute website and copy the next command and paste it in your terminal. Now it will start the OmniRoute server on your local host. So the OmniRoute server is running and is asking for password. So the default password is change me. So once you enter it, you can go inside. Now in the home provider topology, we see no providers as we have not connected any provider. Now let's go to provider section and here you can find 295 plus provider and you will get a total of 1.6 billion tokens per month. And here in free trial, you can see there are 126 providers which are providing you free API key. In no odds category, there are 9 providers and this provider will instantly give you API key without even registering or creating a free account. So let's select open code and I click on add account and it instantly created the account. So here first we import model. Once model is imported, let's click on autosync and now the model is ready to use. So in API key, click on create your first key and you can give any name you want. So I'm just using to name it test1 and create API key. Now copy the API key and paste it in the notepad. And in our home provider topology, we can see open code free is connected to our OmniRoute. Now in provider node, you can also enable multiple provider which are giving you API key. So you can very easily create account, create API key and use them in VS Code. Now we are inside Visual Studio Code. If you haven't installed, please install it using the actual Visual Studio website and the installation is given in the website itself. And in the VS Code, in the extension, we install Client. It is a coding agent which allow OmniRouter to connect to our VS Code and to connect all the free provider API key. And in the left side bottom, you can see client icon and it has been installed. Let me quickly open one project. So this is a sample project and let's open client. Now this will open the API configuration. So in API configuration, there is API provider and in API provider, just type OpenAI and select OpenAI compatible. And it is asking for base URL. So you can get your base URL from your command prompt. So in command prompt, you have to type OmniRoute to start server and copy paste base URL. So the base URL is always localhost 2128 slash version. Then it'll ask for API key and you should copy paste API key from the notepad. Now in model in open code free provider, there are various model and I have selected this DeepSeek model. So you can select this as well or whatever you like. There are many models here, but I think DeepSeek is overall a good model. So that's why I have selected DeepSeek before Flash model. Now click next or click done and you're ready to go. So let's quickly check if it works or not. So yeah, our agent is working perfectly. So at the top there is a context window, and this is 128K context window. It is a maximum amount of information model can see during tasks. For each new tasks, this value almost nearly reset to zero. Okay, now I have ready-made prompt. So this is our prompt to build one crypto dashboard application which show the live price of cryptocurrency. Let's copy paste it and give it to our model. Now let's see what it built. So now I'm going to fast forward the video. Our application is built. So this is our application, and honestly, it looks pretty good. If you see any error, you can always copy the error and put it back in the chat window and press enter. So that's it for this video. If you're interested in these kind of contents, watch my next video.